Hey chaps, we've got a premiere tonight at 9 o'clock UK time on YouTube. Gav and I are going to be watching it with you, so we'll have a live chat while we're watching the video. So join us on our YouTube channel Rusty Love tonight, 9 PM, Tuesday, 29th of June, 9 PM UK time. Rusty Love YouTube channel. Do that again, man. Okay, mate, see you later. Okay. Thanks for fixing the folder. I love it. It's badass, isn't it, Ray?
They are nice cars. And you built it up?
Sounds so sinister, that rumbling V8. Your first stop is the petrol station.
I think so. And then the second stop is the petrol station. And then your third stop is another petrol station. And then you might get to Briley Hill. Don't forget to check the fuel level before you get home. £40 of fuel gets you to Briley Hill.
Later, man. Oh. Gav, are we going to be watching the premiere tonight together?
Yeah, we'll watch.
You're going to be at your sofa and I'll be at mine.
I'll be on my sofa.
At 9 o'clock.
I'll have my rice cakes and my dark chocolate.
Yeah, okay.
And my bottle of water ready to go.
Alright. We'll see you at Rusty Love YouTube channel 9 o'clock tonight, guys. Tuesday, 29th of June. It's a video about us building an engine and starting it up for the first time and all that. It's Kate's engine, yeah, our Capri. So, thank you very much, and also thank you for joining us on Dude Stock Saturday. We had a beautiful day with you, and fortunately I deleted accidentally the live stream, 4-hour live stream. I didn't even get a chance to watch it back, so if any of you have any footage from the day, if you'd be kind enough to send it to us either via email or on our Rusty Love Facebook page, that would be great. And I can make a little compilation of the day. So thank you very much, and also thank you very much to Cosley Kev, who came here. Cosley Cave, who came here yesterday.
Hey, Mano, show them that.
Gave us. Hang on a minute. Where's Cosley Kev's stash?
I'll put it in the wine cabinet.
Okay, well, where is it? Okay, it's down here, man. Cosley Kev just came over. We met him yesterday. Eventually, after a year and a bit. He's got us a bottle of Jack Daniels. He promised us this months ago, and we've got it. And some cans of cider, apple cider. Lovely. Thank you very much to Cosley Kev, and look forward to seeing him again. And also thank you to Garrick for the Predator, dude. We've got a mechanical Predator here. I think he's in an air tunnel because his hair's sticking out in the back.
Is it action shot?
It's an action shot. He looks brilliant. So Gav's very chuffed with that. And yeah, there's Mr. Ray, who finished the little Austin J40 the day of the Dude Stock, and we're going to release some footage of that as well.
Also, yeah.
This gentleman's got some skills. And Tony has done a couple of little panels today. That one doesn't make sense. Where is it? The one he made? There it is. For our wheel arches, guys, we've got the outside panels for the wheel arches, but we also need the inside. So Tony used the shrinker and stretcher and the pan and folder machine back there, that blue thing, to make that. And Gav and I are going to get on with this one of these days. And I am stripping a set of Weber 44 DCNF carburettors, which belong onto a Maserati Merak engine. Gentleman has had a few issues with them, so the middle spindle or the middle carburetor is worn and it's wobbling, and a few other little issues that he wants us to sort out for him. So that's it really. Another day in the life. hope wherever you are, you're feeling well, getting on with life, one foot in front of the other, one breath after another, and just living in the moment and all that shit. So we'll see you tonight, guys. Thanks a lot for your support. Really enjoyed Dude Stock. Send me any footage you've got. See you tonight, 9 o'clock UK time on YouTube, Rusty Love channel. Laterers.